on this edition of the Audiocat channel.
So first day here at the shop, man. Let's see how everything's going here today, y'all. So we're gonna walk in. I know we got some Mopars already in front of the shop. We got some stuff going on. Let's see exactly what's going on. Welcome to our new location. So we got Mr. Rob, BattleCat up in the building. I see that belt in your hand. I know what that's for.
For me to whoop somebody.
What are you gonna whoop, man? Why are you gonna whoop me for?
What's up, people? It's your boy BLAK.
BattleCat
in the building.
And then we got the genius herself.
He was just sitting there talking about the idiot that was going 157 miles an hour and ran into somebody and was able to bond out, and he killed a young man.
Oh, that's
stupid.
That's retarded.
Yeah.
That's retarded. What you got to say about that today on camera?
It's a messed up world we live in.
Yes, you know what I'm saying. Let me go check the boys in the back, and then we're gonna be heading out to go do something personal. But I want to introduce y'all to the new shop here.
Looking for the person he was racing.
Guys are rolling over here. My son's here working. Oh, I've never seen a chair like that before. I guess they're doing some testing here. 15 point something volts. You can see that. But that was going on with Isaac. Then we got this other Mazda CX-5 here with a crazy ass mask on the chair. How about that one, y'all? I guess he uses that to be able to avoid tolls. But they are doing their thing as they begin the process of getting everything. We got Big Boy Gordo in the building.
Yes,
What you want to tell the camera? Been a minute you haven't been on the camera, man. What's going on? What you gonna tell the camera today?
I feel amazing with the new shop.
How you got AC in here?
You got the bay door.
You got a bay door. Look at this. What are you doing to this one?
14.
This is whose car is this? It's not the. Looks like one of those Denzel. I don't know. No, this the Denzel's better subs than that. But he's doing a whole system. Look at that, y'all. Clean install. Look at that. Perfect location. Amplifier mounted. Wires all loomed. Everything all perfect out. That's what we're talking about. That's the AUDIOZONE that we know of, man. Check us out here at the new location, man. 909 East Beltline Road. They are doing their thing, beginning to do the bypass it, but they got it going, y'all. Little by little, they're gonna get this in order, man. But they want to show you the first day, man. Want to welcome you guys to the new shop, 909 East Beltline Road, here in Irving, Texas, a block away. Check us out. Hit us up on the phone. You'll be able to find us on Google. Know exactly what's going on with the shop, man. So stay tuned for more great projects, and we keep on rolling here, y'all. Peace. What up, Cruz? Your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audiocat, man. Want to thank you guys all for watching and support. Today with the Black BattleCat up in the building, we came to check up on our babies, man. As you can see, the Audiocat is right here, waiting for some parts. Like, that is the biggest headache we're dealing with right now. It's actually waiting for parts to be able to get anything done on these cars, man. So right now, the Audiocat just sitting here all dirty, man. But long story short, we got a lot of different Mopars here. We're at Jackfabperformance. Actually just came to do a friendly visit and see them. We got Derek here, we got Ken, we got the BattleCat. Look at him looking at his baby. Let's go see what he sees. You miss your car, bro? If y'all don't know the BattleCat, boy, y'all better know the BattleCat. This is not a regular damn car. This is a beautiful car, and you're gonna see this out very shortly. It looks regular, but wait till we get out on the streets and then you see what this car really do. But yeah, man, she's coming, you know, little by little, she's coming together again, man. I know he misses it, but sometimes you got to just trust the process and let it be, because you can have what you need to have. But yes, it is a Hellcat. It is the Black BattleCat edition. Follow him over there on IG, man. You can see some great content with this car when it hits the streets. We're about to go in the shop and see what's going on. Bars on top of Mopars, on top of Mopars, on top of Mopars. And they are busy. Look at that big tire. Look at that. They are definitely the place to be. Jackfabperformance. And we got my famous dude right there. Let me avoid that copyright. Man, it's D-Watch. You see him all the time at the track. We're known as the Ghost. No, what is the name of your baby girl? Snow Lady. Snow Lady up in the building, man. We got Mr. Ken. Ken, what you want to tell the camera today? This guy's always GQ, man.
Soon. It's coming soon.
I know it is. I know it is. We're all waiting. Coming soon to a theater. Coming soon to a theater. I'm coming soon to a theater. He's out there. How's it feel to be able to enjoy your car, D? Yeah. Give him a smile. Just make us all mad here right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then this is the master technician himself, Mr. Jack himself. He's the one that makes miracles on Broadway happen, man. Y'all know that's most of the fastest cars you've seen in Dallas came from the hands of Jack Fab. And right now he's doing the fallopian tube extraction.
Yep.
Getting it all situated. Why you got this in here? What is this?
Oh, that's Grace's truck. That's his truck.
Okay, wow. He's a family member. Otherwise, like, Ford, no. Then this one here. What is this one here?
Demon.
Dude.
Demon with the whipple.
Demon with the whipple. Wow, I love that. Where's my famous guy, Matt?
He just went to go grab lunch.
Oh, that's a good thing. Then we got this other one over here. Look at all there's things everywhere here, y'all. But we got this other Hellcat where you can see it's being built. Solid motor mounts. Big tire.
Hey,
Wow. We're gonna go see that right now. Look at the new dyno that came in, man. So it's a little different from everybody else's dyno. This actually goes directly to the wheel with no wheel resistance. They're getting this set up and situated to get some real dyno numbers here at the shop, man. But let's go see the old BattleCat. Y'all seen it on a previous video, and this is what they're working on now. They're making this to be the fastest 300, they say. As you can tell, she looked like she's on her way. What you gotta say? Like, damn, I should have done that.
They gotta give it back.
They gave it to me, yeah, because this could be definitely a car we're gonna be watching out for. Doesn't look normal.
They say they were running those low sevens.
Boy, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I want to see it. I think it could be an amazing build. When you see your car doing sevens, your old car doing 7 at the track, what you gonna say?
That's my dog.
But yeah, they gutted it out, man. She's actually going into complete race mode. It could be the fastest 300 I'm gonna know. She is completely gutted. Transmissions, everything built in there. She is going to come together. Y'all stay tuned. Instagram.
Instagram is US Scott 79.
And what's the name of your car?
Intimidator.
Why is it the Intimidator? She never intimidated me. We never got to line up, but you know what I'm saying?
It intimidates.
Who you thought would have won back in the day between me and him back in the day? Now he's going different, but back in the day that would have been a good run. I probably would have given more white hair. He probably would have been mad, but it would have been.
I don't think he would have won.
Man,
you know,
but
because
listen,
he'll stick toward automatic.
Yeah, but the thing is, I make the stick shift an automatic. It's not the stick. It's the driver. I think if you get, let's see if we can agree. If we get any other regular dude, we put him in your car on the track. You and him can have a better time.
Me?
Because you know your car.
Right.
Same thing happened with the AUDIOCAT. Like I tell people, my car's not a HELLCAT, man. My car's an AUDIOCAT, and there's a difference. And actually, he could verify for that. What you gotta say, BattleCat? You over there? What you gotta say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? I heard y'all over the giggling. What y'all gotta say, man? D Watts, you a truthful man. Tell me what you're talking about. But this is your block, huh?
That's it.
Back from the machine shop, ready to go. Now you're just waiting to get it together and Humpty Dumpty be back.
Be ready by the end of next week.
Ooh, go before the event.
Yeah, but I'm waiting on my supercharger.
Fine, but it's coming together.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man, I'll tell you right now, we're gonna be watching for him. When he gets out, we're gonna give him a run with the Viper and see what he could do. The Viper could be a good race with most of y'all. I mean, I want to give a race with a couple people like D Watts. He whooped Isaac's ass.
He done beat all of us.
Pretty much.
Right now.
He done beat us all, even when we were built.
He beat her, D Watts? I didn't know that, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, he the king right now.
Who did he lose to though? He lost to one of us.
He did.
Yeah, he did.
I lost to which guy? That was the only reason one because I spun.
He lost.
Isaac, the Nova.
Yeah, the Nova.
Isaac with the Nova cane, that's right. He spent it on the video, I saw that.
Pops was the king, and then I beat Pops. And then
This is Pops here for y'all that don't know.
And then the young man he beat.
So these the crown to take, D.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna step on this side. Cause there's always the cars to beat, man. I wanna really know, this is the thing, man. I got the Viper, I love it, it's impressive. But I always say you could feel a car being really fast, but you never got to race with the real competition like D Watts, BattleCat and them, or the AUDIOCAT itself. So one of the things I think I'm gonna do when I get the car back, D Watts, I'm gonna get the car and I'm running with the AUDIOCAT first. Okay. Then we'll know how fast the car really is. It feels great. I mean, BattleCat can vouch. The car feels great. Racing it, I've had no problems. Vents, HELLCATs, everything. But y'all, to end this video, the AUDIOCAT. Man, I love this car. I miss this car so much. This car has been so much fun. This built our channel up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely a beast of a car. I just miss her so much. Like right now, she's sitting here waiting for this transmission parts to come in, and it's got me depressed with this car, y'all. Because I mean, she's fast, but boy, we suffer with this transmission, this drive line, because of the shock that she has every time she gets into a gear. But long story short, we are in the AUDIOCAT, the famous AUDIOCAT, and we are going to be seeing what's gonna happen, man, with her. Check it out my radar real quick, see what's gonna happen to her, because I miss her so much. I put so much money in this car, and it just hurts not to be able to enjoy it as much as I would, man. But I'm gonna end this video telling y'all always thank y'all for the support, man. Always love you guys so much for the support y'all giving us, man. Y'all be good and God bless. Stay tuned. We're gonna race the AUDIOCAT with the Viper, see who's really fastest. Stay tuned, y'all.